Yeah!
I want behind mama.
Alakad na eh.
Thank you, darling.
Ate, may tungko ka ng mga yan. Katrionan eh. Katrionan.
Halitane open.
I dedicate this to Aiden.
Wow. Wala ti pambikos biko.
The last time we went out together, you were looking at this.
Balo na ano eh.
Barbidal.
Balo na.
There's trash over there.
Pakalawin mo. Wow.
Yeah. What's that?
Bakit may?
Nano yan?
Yeah.
Kupya. Who's your secret Santa?
Dek, nino yung cake oh.
Ay, yun eh. Ikaw, matak ka rin.
Ate ba siya?
Ate Bache.
Bakit?
Why?
Oh, bago po natin. Text na niya kaya ba?
Kunwari, may surprise ka mo. Ano yan?
What?
Makeup.
Bakit ako na? Kaya ka na ba niya? Wow!
This is not for cooking.
Meluto na lang pala.
Watermelon ko na kayo save mo lang.
Secret Santa is Brian.
Masyadong maragul.
Kaya kalatina mo. Kaya ko nang kuwa. Daan nakakatulong siya.
Malati yan, dili kay Bag.
What is it? I cannot Tuxedo.
Ano yan kaya, Brian?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh!
Ikabaw na naman.
Mami, bubus niya. Mabaho ko na eh.
Bakit naman? She's a great mother to her kids. She supports them very well, and she really likes. I guess she really likes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Duro. No. Pakitaan mo nga lang yung sarili. Baka na naman malayo isang ito. Hop! Hop! Ayaw na! Kaya kaya yan?
Bato.
May kasamang timbang.
Stove.
Tabo.
Stove yan natin, guys. Water dispenser. Water bottle.
After 5 years.
Mag-commercial dapat.
Sit ka pa.
Ay!
Hop! Hop! Tingnan natin.
Uy, wow.
Ay!
Messing. Ang tingin nyo, bakit tingin nyo?
Baba, huwag na nga sa bote.
Ay, wala. Ay, Kenny. Yan, Ay, Jake
Oh,
lang.
Representative.
Representative na po nga kay Jake.
Ah, punta ka rin. Ay, tanggit mo. Jacob. Ay, tanggit mo. Bilis. Ay, taking harap to.
You give this to Papa niya.
Thank you.
You give.
Ay, because he loves talking.
Dapat sinabi mo ate, isa lang kung nakita ko.
Pero yung pumabagot ng Uncle Jake.
Tera. Ay.
Okay, cake.
Oh.
Why?
Because you believe that. Open it first. Not yours.
Believe that.
Open it first. Jacob. You believe that. Jacob.
Jacob!
You believe that kilay is life.
Okay, this is Banana Republic, guys. I'm the secret Santa that is me.
For me.
Daddy.
Zap zap!
Papa.
Pwede lahat ang pagsalubong.
Yes, ako na.
Pwede lang pagsalubong mo rin.
Best in brown. Thanks, guys. Needed it.
Who did you?
Bakbar mo na kaya na, Jake.
Gold is your
Itang pambato.
secret Santa.
Yung ipot it yun. Wala akong bulsa. Ay, bulsa ka naman.
Oh,
Representative.
Representative? Bakit po naman yan?
Na? Beme kang kay. Beme
Ah!
kang Nano ka, no? Nano ka. Simple na.
Because I know he's a very simple man.
Beme natin.
Oh, wow.
Wow, later. Sit down ka here.
Uncle Alex.
Pamilya.
Oy, oy, bili mo.
Tony!
Ay, no ka rin yun. Money nga, iyo, ugly.
Representative. Alex Baida.
No ka rin yun.
He's outside. Wow.
I there you get.
You get our mama's own.
And then you open too.
No, not yours, Jacob.
Jacob. Open.
From Kennedy na nakay ba't magmam?
Tabi, you show it here, baby.
Jacob.
Tabi, you show it first.
Boss.
Jacob.
Tabi.
Jacob. Bugoy.
Anuya kaya?
Cob.
Ay ta.
I know.
Ah, tarlo ka niya. So aggressive.
Wala na, hindi ko nakita mo kung kain.
Oh, Sir Owen.
Kaya pala lumabas si Gary.
Wow! Favorite ko yan.
Because we're very busy.
Wop, wop, wop. Wata dumarin na ulit.
Because I'm very busy also, I didn't get to... Ate Cindy! Why represents cleanliness? Because you work in the medical field? I think I forgot to buy the inside.
Wow. Oh. Wow! Ay, balamoy kwan eh. Buriha.
Ate Tintin, who did you pick or choose as your secret Santa? Why did you buy that for Adrian?
This is his style.
Jacob Kennedy. I give you Kennedy later. Kennedy. Good boy ka na, dinatang dito. Wow.
Yes.
Oh.
This style is ordered.
Dapat kaya pala sa
PS9 nyo. PS9. Oh.
Nintendo Classic.
What?
Good job.
Thank you.
Oh, what?
It's a hat. So I've been needing a hat lately. Because of my hair. So I got Milan.
Is it that bad?
So like
Oh my gosh.
so we're going to Hawaii.
Whatever.
So it's a last second. Because I was told I had somebody and then they canceled. So
They canceled.
May
Like,
I was like, Pandalus.
so I
Because I got this for her because she's a girl. I don't know, for some reason girls like stuff from DFS. So I got her a matte lipstick. Can you open it? So you know how she has a family full of girls? So they can't steal this because her name
it
is
says her name.
Oh.
Nintendo, no time.
Like,
So I chose Ayan. Christopher. I got this because she wears a lot of stripes. So
Oh.
it's a good stuff, you know?
It was another long
No, you need exactly what I need.
she has a short sleeve.
I think I know what it is.
Undeniable.
Please.
Market.
Undeniable.
Rock steady.
Siya lang pala.
Another hat.
Did you get?
Hey!
You guys on the same side?
Okay. So, last one. Last minute.
I was told last week, you was told last night.
Why you did that?
Christopher.
She always does very well calling him Christopher.
So he couldn't afford a grill, but he just thought it was next, so it was just your clothes.
Well, thank you.
Disclaimer, I wasn't there when he bought it.
Disclaimer.
So these favors are before.
Ikaw na mo represent to
Then
si.
why did you get it?
It's sad to say because he needs more island shirts.
Then why did you
Don't use my app.
You cannot open.
Ah, wow.
Is that what's this guy? But that's so big.
Papabango na naman yun ah.
Ay, ay, ay. Pabango na naman. Ay.
Later, Jacob.
Hugging kiss.
Jacob. Ano ko nanak?
That's pink for girls. Are you a girl?
Ay!
Christmas tree with it.
Let's go.
Oh, dang.
Jacob, yung...
Aisley, tutugi ka pa.
New Zealand.
Aisley, can you sit here, nak?
Hi, cooking.
Buksan ang microwave.
Sinubot na yung microwave.
Thank you po.
Aisley! Ay, ay, ay.
It's kaserola.
Tayo na yun.
It's rigged. It's rigged.
Bye, boy.
Aisley, ne? I bought this
Aisley,
because he needs this because he always play volleyball.
Yeah. You drink coffee.
So with all your presents, how would you change the world? Pwede ko again. Yan ang mama ko.
Ay, tapos na.
Tapos na?
Nunguha ni Kuya Brex. Wala kayo. Hindi kahit pa ka dyan. Di
Ay, wow.
Uncle Cardigan Auntie Lani.
The joy the world.
We are the world.
We are the world. May stock yan.
Wait, baka ba break her?
May stock yan?
All set ulit.
Yeah. Oh, give to Wesley, Jacob. You give to Wesley. To Wally. Give to, no, let Jacob.